One of the items that I've been emphasizing on in my instructions was the principles of modeling in building information modeling, and as I tried to fully explain all of the principles and standards in Revit 2024 course, about the modeling process like detailing, scheduling, and also for the other aspects of BIM which are applicable to the other parts, like the standards for modeling in the projects. For instance, I've seen many projects that there is a common mistake in joining the wall with the floor after having done the flooring and finishing parts, in a way that they use join to join these two, check it out, which is not correct. And apparently everything is okay, but when we check it out, we find out that it got no effect on the schedule. I mean, right now if I unjoin them, unjoin geometry, like this way, that here we got the floors and also the floor finishing, but note that floor finishing stage is done independent to the other tasks. But here I just wanted to show you that join has got no effect on these, on a schedule table actually. Here we got the wall and also the flooring, that here I have filtered the table to show you the schedule related to the wall, material, and also the volume and the area. Right now, here if I measure the height of the wall like this way, which is equal to 4 meters, I click on it, then I open properties window. You can see the dimensions, area, length, and volume, which is for example 4 meters related to the length, and also volume and area. However, we got them in the table schedule table sorted by the material. But right now, here if I select and then I click on join, and also I select the floor to join them, as you can see it got no effect on the volume or area. And if I select the wall and then I open properties, still the unconnected height is 4 meters, in a way that when I open this part and then I measure the unconnected part, from the connected part, as you can see, for the 120 per millimeters, so nearly 12 centimeters is not calculated, and following to that, it is not calculated in area and volume too. Here if I unjoin them again, watch this, then I select the wall, then I specify minus 120 millimeters in base offset, then you will see the effects on the area and volume. But here the question is, how can we join these two through the correct way? I should say that I have totally talked about these items in Revit 2024 course, but note that point that modeling in Revit is not just necessarily working with the tools in modeling the objects, because you should put all of the points and details into the consideration related to Revit in order to have the most precise results in your projects.